Hey everyone, back several months ago I showed you a salt tester for saltwater pools, and in this video I want to show you a newer version, an improved version that I purchased on my own. I'll have a link in the description to this. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and please also give me a like so other people can find this video. Okay, so here it is. Okay, and so this is E-Season Gear Salt 3050. Like I said, there'll be a link in the description where you can pick this up, but this is a upgraded version of the E-Season gear that I showed you on the channel. And what I like about this version is that it's going to show you the temperature of the water, and it's also going to show you the parts per million of salt. So there's no calculations that you have to make like the other one. So let me test this and I'll be right back. Here is a size comparison of the two salt testers. This is the one that I did the review on towards the beginning of the year, and then this is the newer one that I'm using. And like I said, both of these are very good. I carry both of them on my truck. Lately here I've been using this one a little bit more, but they work really well, and there's not too many differences between the two. Besides, this one's just a little bit easier to read, but they're both highly accurate and they work well. Okay, so to test this, you're going to take it and you're going to dip it in the water, and then you're going to press the hold button. And as you can see, it's 3404 parts per million. It's 80 degrees in this pool. So I really like this because it's a beefier version of the E-Season gear one that I showed, which is still a great one and I still have it. So this is just a little bigger, and I believe it's going to be a little bit easier to read, but they both work fine and I keep them both. Wanted to say I appreciate all the subscribers and viewers of the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you.